What is money? Money is anything which is commonly accepted as a medium of exchange. So there are two characteristics of money. Number one, it is commonly accepted. Number two, it works as medium of exchange. Now, money has various functions, but money was invented for the purpose of facilitating exchange, as exchange was very difficult in barter system and therefore is defined as something which is commonly accepted as a medium of exchange. What are the functions of money? We know that money was invented because of drawbacks in barter system. So the drawbacks in barter system are the functions of money. First drawback that we saw was double coincidence of bonds. So to remove the double coincidence of bonds, money facilitates exchange. Money works as a medium of exchange. Now another drawback was that there was no way to store the value, or store of value in barter system was very difficult. So money serves as a store of value, as you can save easily with the help of money. Another drawback was that there was no common unit of value in barter system. Now with the help of money, money is a measure of value. You can value everything in terms of money. Another drawback in barter system was that there was very difficult to make future payments or contractual payments. So money provides a standard for deferred payments, future payments. You can easily make those payments with the help of money. Based on these functions, you can also define money as a commonly accepted medium of exchange which serves as a store of value, as measure of value, and serves as a standard for deferred payments. That is the definition of money and money's functions. In next video, we will discuss what different forms of money are there.